once before. Test fitted it all. So now we're just finalizing it and seeing what we can do to get the bed on tonight. And I'm guessing I'm going to catch a lot of flack. You shouldn't run your electric wires by your gas tank line, fuel line. This isn't battery cable, it's just the tail lights. Alright, time for some power tools. I'm not liking that. Okay. That's really bad. Oh, there's a broken screw in there. So that explains why that never finished. See if we can get that broken self-tapper out of there. All right. There we go. Got it. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. We know for a fact that one under there. Not 100% sure if we're going to put a hitch on this to tow the wife's golf cart trailer or not. I don't think so. It would all depend how low it sets under the roll pan. Everything somebody does, somebody's a critic, so I'm sure I'm doing everything wrong, but that's okay. In my defense, me and my wife have 11 classic cars that we take everywhere. They don't sit at home. They're on the road, going places, all summer long. So that's how we came up with the name Side Money Garage. We do some side work here and there to pay for our habits. And remote control cars, RC cars, we're very big into that. We gotta loosen this up a little bit. Pull it down through. I don't like how that looks. There we go. That looks a little nicer. Okay, so this is what I call a one-man bed lift. It's totally adjustable. You just clamp it in there, stretch it out where you want it. Hook it to your engine hoist, said cherry picker. The center swivels back and forth, so you can center it to get it to lift up straight. It's very sketchy, but it does work. Just use a cheap old Harbor Freight engine hoist. The bed lifting device was from Summit Racing. It's under $200 and you don't need no help. You just have to be very careful. Well, I have to undercoat where the sawhorses are. So I'm going to jack up one side at a time, remove the sawhorse, reach under and undercoat that real quick. Till we get that undercoated. See you in a few. See if we can get this thing on there somehow. We gotta clear the tires. That's where we go. Alright, get the tires cleared. Jack the truck up. We are stuck on the 4-lane. I didn't realize that was going to be a problem. Just enough to get it off of there. And we'll still be able to get the cherry picker under there. Boy, nothing's going to plan today, is it? Well, the bed's on. We ran out of camera. We got a lot to learn about this stuff, but it's working. It was a struggle. I should have jacked it up and took the wheels off. That's probably how I took the bed on and off when I was doing the underneath and stuff. But like I said, that was a while ago and I don't remember. But it worked. It's on there. And that's a one-man bed lifter with a cheap cherry picker. It's a struggle, but it can be done. Didn't do no damage. The bolts are in the holes, but I gotta jack it up so I can get under it. But I think it'll work. And for those that don't know, this is a 1964 F100. It's got a 460 in it with a little cam. It's got a Heights Mustang 2, Heights 4-link, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a Lincoln rear end, C6, shift kit. The plan is, eventually, the wife wants to try autocross, low buck autocross. We ain't getting nothing fancy. Stay tuned for tomorrow's headache. We're going to try gluing the door seals on, bolting the bed down, getting the truck on jack stands, and mount the battery. This weekend, a friend is helping me do the wiring. I didn't like how I did it. He says he's a professional. We'll start getting these parts on and get some work done. Like and subscribe if you're interested. Leave a comment. Tell me I suck. Whatever. Hopefully the wife enjoys it. That's all that counts. And we'll see what happens.